Enjoy starting over with a 700 plus FICO score. Your new credit file will get you approved for luxury apartments and condos, credit cards and automobiles, cell phones with no deposit. You can even register your CPN with the IRS. You can get a job. Your employer can 1099 your EIN. The intricacies of managing a client's financial situation is a sensitive matter, requiring trusted professionals with experience to help guide the way. Our process of generating a new credit file is time-tested. Listen to what one of our clients had to say. Thankful. After my divorce, my credit took a beating. Even with me doing all I knew to do, I just couldn't get it where I knew it should be. I contacted LegalNewCreditFile.com, and they were so kind, respectful, knowledgeable, and helpful. Within a month, things started moving forward and upward. Thank you so much, LegalNewCreditFile.com. Our credit privacy numbers are 100% guaranteed, scanned, and cleared from being any other entities. An attorney verifies all credit privacy numbers issued. Stop by LegalNewCreditFile.com today and understand your options and know your rights. Starting over is something everyone has the right to do.